Everyone, I'm Mika and today I am going to show you how to make a great YouTube video using your phone. So stick around and let's show you. Audio Jungle. Now, before I go to the video, if you are new to this channel, please do me the honors and give me some credit. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And click on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever the new content's out. Now we get that out of the way, without further ado, let's dive in. So I normally use InShots to make my videos. So if you don't have InShots on your phone, depending on the nature of your device, if you're using a Apple phone, if you're using an iPhone, you can go to your Apple Cloud Store, or you can go to Play Store if you're using an Android to download InShots. So that's the first step. Now after you've downloaded, you press open and you go in and fill out whatever requirements that they require of you to use the app. And normally they would bring like certain things like for you to pay, but you don't really have to pay. You can just use the basic things that they got there. So don't worry about that for now. After you've done that, you go to video and then click on new video because you're going to make a new video. Then it will bring you to your InShots gallery. So you have the choice of choosing between pictures and video. So if you want to, whichever format you want to add to your video, you can put it down. This is where you'll normally find it. It will bring you, automatically bring you here. So as you can see, I'm choosing the different formats that I want to use. Once you're in this format, you can just easily stay on this format to get whatever format you want, whether in picture form or video form. If you want to go to the video form, all you have to do is go up top, click on video, and it brings you there. Now after you come out of your gallery, now you'll see your results. So you can see where everything is coming together. So first I have this cool intro right here. I normally use cool intros like these for my video. You don't have to, but I normally do. And there are apps that you can use to make cool intros. One that I use is Intro Maker. I think there's some very cool ideas in there. You know, very great app. I think you can use it for your videos as well. So yeah. If you've done that, I would recommend you go to apps like Canva to create a cool heading. Now Canva is a cool app for you to create word editing and things like those. You know what I'm talking about. Canva is normal place. I normally use Canva. So first you're going to open up Canva, and if you don't have Canva, you can do the regular by visiting the Google Play Store on your Android or the Apple Cloud Store on your iPhone. Now there are a variety amount of cool art forms you can choose from, so you can just play with it a bit and see what they got. They got everything. They got something for everyone, so you can basically choose anything you want. Now there are a variety amount of cool art forms you can choose from, so you can just play with it a bit and see what they got. They got everything. They got something for everyone, so you can basically choose anything you want. Flyers, portraits, canvases, you name it. Yeah, just waiting for it to load a bit, and yeah, there you go. I normally use Canvas on all my videos, so I'm gonna go with this yellow background that I have here that I created for another video, and I'm just gonna go with this one. It's just right here. Let me see. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so now that you have your background or your template, you're gonna go down here, click on here, and it will bring you to the template section for you to choose photos from your gallery. So just like InShot, whatever you have in your phone gallery, the gallery that's in your device, it would normally show up on Canva as well. So I choose this picture of myself, this cool picture, this cool pose I like, because you know you want something popping to catch the eyes of your viewers. Play with it a bit and put it over here. Yeah. After that, I'm gonna click back on template, and then I'm gonna go to text to type the words in. Cool features to work with. You can choose whatever features you want depending on the nature of your video. For my video, I want it to be custom. I want my font to be custom. So I'm gonna go into the custom. I'm gonna type in whatever I want up here in the search bar, and then it will bring me here. So I want this video to be about myself going on an adventure. So now you can use whatever topic or the nature for your video that you want. So I'm using adventure. So up here I'm gonna type Mika's let me see. Yep. Fantasies. Mika's fantasies. Perfect. So you can make up, you know, whatever wording you want or whatever topic you want depending on the nature of your video. You also have the option to go to the font section and select whatever font you want. There are like hundreds of fonts on here, so you can choose whatever font you want, whatever suits your best and suits your video best. So whatever you like, you can choose whatever you want here. So I'm gonna go with this one. Yeah, simple and that's unique. After you've done that, you also have the option to choose whatever color you want. So go with what you can go with whatever color coding you like. I'm gonna choose this because it goes with it. I think it matches my hair right here. It matches my hair, so I think I'm gonna go with this color right here. You also have the option to click whatever size, how big you want the font to be, so you click the font size. There's also an option for you to choose if you want to work with elements. You can go to the element section and choose whatever element you want. And in the search section, you can type in whatever topic due to the nature of your video. For my video, I'm working with travel. It's all about travel and adventure, so I'm going to type in adventure to choose something that matches that word. So I think the map is cool, so I'm gonna go with the map. Yeah. So I click on the map and I play with it a little until I get it to where I want it, both in size and the right place. Perfect. There you go. So the reason why I use Canvas is because the variety that it has and lots of elements you can choose from to use whatever you want. It's all there in Canvas. It's perfect for my video, so that's why I use it. So I'm gonna go back and use an additional element that I think could fit perfectly with travel and adventure. And I think I'll choose the compass. Perfect. And I'll bring it down here. That's right. So you don't want your intro or your heading to be too crowded, so you just want to keep it simple, sharp, and catchy. Now there's also a cool option where it labels your elements to go in front of the pictures, so you can choose whether you want it behind it or in front of it. So makes much better sense to put it in front of it. Yeah. So after you've done all of this, you're gonna save it and it will be stored in your Canvas document. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna go inside of your gallery to your device to make sure that it's over there as well, because it has to appear in your device so that it also can appear in your InShots. Okay, perfect. So now that you can see it's been stored in my device, and now I'm gonna go back to InShots, and I should see it over there as well. And there you go, it's there. And I'll just click on it and then it will appear in the section where I want it to be part of the video. I'm going at the beginning because it's an intro, so yeah, there you go. So in intros, you also have the option to choose whatever musical form you want to be in the background of a video, just like this one you're listening to now in this video. It's from InShots. You also want to make sure that you're using a non-copyright music so that you don't get in trouble with YouTube, okay? So that's very crucial. Angels has some very good ones. You can use those. These are all non-copyright music, so you can go with these ones. But you don't have to use music if you don't want it. And like I said before, InShots normally, just like Canvas, InShots have some option for you to pay to use certain features like certain fonts, certain wording, certain elements. You don't really have to do that, especially if you're new YouTuber and you're just starting getting affiliate with all of these. You really don't have to worry about paying. There free sections there. There are a lot of things free on InShot where you can use, so you can just make good use of the opportunity of all these free features and use them. And this part you don't have to do, but I normally like to have a little like a thank you video, and this is about traveling, it's about adventure. So I want something, you know, beachy, travel-y, adventurous. So I'm going to choose this picture right here, and then I'm gonna go back and type thank you for watching. And in the editing section, you also have the options to choose whatever font you want. I like something popping, so I'm going to choose this cool one right here. You can also choose the color. Yeah, I'm going to choose yellow. Perfect. So after I've done everything, I'm going to click on save so that you can save it in your InShots. And this should take around maybe, depending on the length of your video, this video is not a very long video, so this should take around maybe 20 seconds, 30 seconds. And then you're going to, I'm going to just click on it to make sure that it has been saved. Well, it has. And I'm going to click on the section for YouTube, and it will bring me straight to my YouTube page. So there you go. So it's showing now that it has been saved to my InShots, and once it's saved to your InShots, it's also saved in your device's gallery. So after that, I'm gonna go to my YouTube page, and you don't have to leave shots to go to your YouTube page. It brings you right there. So once you click on YouTube within InShots, it just brings you straight to your YouTube channel. So I'm gonna type in my popping search title. You want to make sure that you're using something popping. That's why I chose Mika's Fantasies. Yep, because this is all about my fantasies. And then it's going to bring you to these two options. You're going to press no, it's not for kids, because if you press yes, YouTube is going to, the algorithm is going to make your video for kids. It's not for kids. So you're going to press no, not for kids. After which you're going to wait for the video to be loaded to YouTube. It should take some, depending, as I said, depending on the size of the video, this one should take somewhere around a minute. Shouldn't take more than a minute. And so after it's ready, it's been uploaded, and then I'm going to click on it to make sure that it's watchable, and there you go, up and ready to be watched by your viewers. So right here, I'm just, clicking, make sure that everything is okay. Make sure, I like to double check my videos, play them over, make sure that all the editing is right and everything is put place, make sure the voicing is right. I like to do that, so I just like to play around to make sure that everything is okay. And after I've done that, I clicked out of my channel and I click back in to make sure that it's really there. So I click on it, my channel, and yeah, it's there. So I will show you how to make a cool thumbnail for your video. So I'm gonna make a part 2 to this video to show you how to make a great thumbnail. I don't want this video to be super long, so I'm gonna do a part 2 for this video. So stay tuned.